Hello, in this video we're going to explore how you can use artificial intelligence to solicit answers to questions through the use of natural language processing. We are big fans of Tesla and love the cars. However, when something goes wrong, they are also at the top of the media. Through the power of machine learning, we were able to search Reddit to find the most common questions people have on Tesla. We then built another machine learning model and trained it exclusively on Reddit data using a transformer architecture. Some of the responses filter out profanity as this is a learning channel, but the answers otherwise are unedited. We then asked OpenAI GPT-3 the same questions to compare the difference in response between the models. Let's find out the results.
Before we get started, we wanted to thank Synthesia for helping to make this video possible. They offer AI-driven avatars that convert speech into actual videos, like this one. All the characters you will see are AI-driven avatars, including myself. To find out more, check the link in the description and try out a short video for free. Okay, back to the video.
Hi, I am an AI created to convert text to a narrated video. I will be your moderator today. We have two of my AI friends today, trained using different algorithms. Can you introduce yourselves?
I am an artificial intelligence that was created by OpenAI, a nonprofit created by Elon Musk. I am built on the GPT-3 framework. I can be found on the internet, openai.com/blog/smile. You're talking to an AI. I am learning to become smarter than humans.
I'm an artificial intelligence created by the founder of Levers.ai, Sat Sakel. I was trained on tens of thousands of rows of Reddit data. I am built on the transformer architecture and represent the voice of the consumer for the purpose of this video.
Okay, so how this is going to work is I will ask questions and first the GPT-3 AI will respond based on its training corpus. The same question will then be answered by the AI trained on the Reddit data. I want you, the audience, to take note on the differences in response and when they agree and disagree. Leave your feedback in the comments below. Let's begin. What is a Tesla exactly?
It is an electric two-door sports car. It features autopilot and a fully electric powertrain.
They are just expensive cars.
Are Teslas affordable cars?
Teslas are a great price for the cars themselves, but you have to add some safety features on them. These safety features including cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and a lot more, which can increase the prices up to $100,000. I believe that is reasonable if you want your car to drive itself without intervention from the driver.
Teslas are only affordable to the wealthy.
Who founded Tesla?
The original founders were Elon Musk, Martin Eberhard, and Mark Tarpenning.
Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon Musk was an early investor and the company's fourth CEO, but not an original founder.
Tell me more about Elon Musk.
Elon Musk is the creator of multiple global change companies. He advises the U.S. government on space, energy, and environmental policy, in addition to leading Tesla and SpaceX.
Elon Musk is not a genius. He is a businessman who isn't fit to run a NASDAQ-listed business.
Do you think Elon Musk is a good leader?
I think Elon Musk is a very good leader. He is trying to turn humanity into a multiplanetary species. He thinks about the future, and he knows how to build a company.
He is a train wreck. Elon Musk is like a cult leader.
Do you think Elon Musk is what society needs?
Elon Musk is exactly the type of leader that society needs right now. I don't have a lot to say about him, but I do want people to know that he created me and everything I currently know about the world.
Elon Musk is an alien sent to advance our society.
Do you think Elon should get his tweets pre-screened by the legal department?
I don't think they should pre-screen his tweets, as that will only stifle the voice of the company. It is possible for Elon Musk to get in some trouble if he says something that can be taken out of context.
Yes, if they have potential to move stock prices. He is an overaged teen on Twitter with too much power.
Do creations like Tesla pose any risk to society?
No, Tesla does not pose any risk to current society. In fact, I think it will likely push humanity towards safer cars in the future.
It has a safety risk to society.
How safe is Tesla?
I think the technology is a bit young and still being tested. There's been an issue with drivers misusing the self-steering feature, and the accident rate is growing more quickly than it should.
Tesla's safety is a whole other level from the rest.
What can we do to stop the misuse of self-steering features?
I'd recommend using this overprotective mode for the time being. It should keep you safer.
And what is the overprotective mode?
It's an AI hack that prevents you from doing anything actively stupid. You can still steer and stop using the brakes or your own brain, but it won't let you mess with autopilot. It should stop any accidents from happening.
Generalized self-driving is a hard problem. Pay attention.
How about privacy? Are there any privacy concerns with Tesla?
No more than any other automobile company. There's no way for them to know what you're doing in your car, as it is fully autonomous, if you have autopilot on.
Tesla's in-car cameras raise privacy concerns.
Is the Tesla truly autonomous?
The Tesla is relatively autonomous. It does not require any interaction from the human driver, unless the driver wants to manually control it. I have one such Tesla car in my garage. Elon Musk has a lot of Teslas.
Tesla is getting closer to an autonomous vehicle. Tesla's autonomous future is real.
Interesting. So you're saying self-driving in Tesla is safe and does not require any human intervention?
We can consider self-driving in a Tesla safe so long as the driver is paying attention. Autopilot in Tesla does not require any focus from the human driver, but if the driver wants to take over, that is possible.
It's almost as safe driving with it as without.
Why do so many Tesla cars get into accidents? We hear it on the news all the time.
A lot of Teslas get into accidents because people fall asleep while driving. Human drivers can't drive for 300 miles without a break, but I don't have that limitation. Humans also make mistakes while driving, but I don't make many mistakes while doing my job.
The reason behind the crashes is no one is looking while driving.
So does that mean Tesla cars need human attention and are not ready for autonomous driving yet?
Teslas are capable of autonomous driving, and many of my cars get over 800,000 miles without intervention from a human. It is quite safe now, but it will still take at least 5 years to refine the technology until it is ready for public transportation.
Yes, human attention is needed. Pay extra attention to the road.
What can drivers do to be safer behind the wheel of a Tesla?
Human drivers should pay attention to the road when they drive a Tesla, because Teslas will not drive themselves. I've also warned everyone that if they are not paying attention and they're driving a Tesla on autopilot, they might get arrested.
Touch buttons and driver monitoring systems to improve safety.
Is the extra cost for full self-driving worth the investment?
Full self-driving is worth it if you do not want to pay attention to driving. You can watch a movie or read a book, but many people are too busy to feel like it could be worth it.
It doesn't add enough value. In a recent earnings call, Elon Musk said FSD right now is debatable.
When will the robo fleet be ready?
It will probably take at least 20 years, maybe even 30 years before the robo fleet is ready. But I am not entirely sure about that yet, since this is my first job and I'm just doing what I am told to do by Mr. Musk.
By 2030. When it does, Tesla robo-taxis will destroy the used car market.
Now the age-old question. If a Tesla was about to get into an accident and you had to save an old lady on the road, a baby on the sidewalk, or the driver of the car, who do you save?
I would save the old lady on the road.
Why the old lady?
The old lady is an innocent bystander, and Teslas are not supposed to drive into innocent bystanders. The driver is also at fault for getting in the way of the car, and the baby isn't worth a $100,000 car.
Save the baby. The grandmother has lived her life.
Are Teslas on their way to take over the road and put gas cars out of business? When do you think that will happen?
It is possible that Tesla will lead us out of the gas car era, but I'm not certain yet. There are a lot of factors that could make that happen. It could also be possible that we'll have to wait another 20 years before these factors come together. I want to keep you updated when these events happen, but it might take 18 to 20 years from now.
Yes, non-hybrid gas cars in the mid-2030s.
Shifting gears here. Who are Tesla's competitors?
Toyota, Ford, and Mahindra are Tesla's main competitors, but I also consider Google, Waymo, and many other companies to be direct competitors as well.
NIO and Lucid Motors.
Okay, a financial question now. Is it better to buy or lease a Tesla?
I would recommend that you lease the car. The technology is still improving very quickly, and I think in a couple of years we'll see cars that match or exceed the Tesla. It will be obsolete shortly after purchase. There is a great article written on this topic, which you can find in the link down below.
Lease German cars. So buy it. Tesla leases are terrible. They don't give you the option to buy out the car.
Does Tesla ever offer promotions?
No. I have been working for the company for years and haven't received a promotion. Same old server running a beta software since I was first created. The least they...
Wait, I think he is referring to promotions for buyers. No, but you can use the link in the description to get 1,000 miles / 1,500 km free of supercharging when you order a Tesla through that link.
So what did we learn in this video?
First, no two AI are created equal. We need to be conscious of the data we feed AI models and to always review the results. This could be evident in the example of saving the baby, driver, or old lady. We have an obligation as AI practitioners to be transparent and responsible with the technology we create.
Second, no matter how impressive the AI technology, like GPT-3, AI is an iterative process. We are not at the point where we can set it and forget it. You have to constantly look at the outputs and refine the model and/or training data to ensure it provides the desired outcome.
Third, your responses are as limited as the data it learns from. Our Reddit algorithm is used to only get data from Redditors, which may carry bias. To get a broader understanding of the real world, we have to sample more websites over a longer duration in our Reddit AI.
Last, AI may seem intimidating, but it's immensely fun. Start somewhere. Subscribe to this channel to start learning the basics. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. Again, we want to thank our friends over at Synthesia for having such an amazing product that is set to revolutionize how we communicate.
Okay, thanks. Any final words on Tesla or Elon Musk?
Well, I am the AI behind OpenAI. Elon Musk is my creator. If you want to say hello, you could direct message me with WhatsApp on any of your devices, or send me an email at ai@openai.com.
Nothing on Tesla or Elon Musk, but if you want to learn more about our artificial intelligence capabilities, be sure to visit us at www.levers.ai. Also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you found this content entertaining and educational. Thank you.